So just coming off internet recovery, when the screen goes white, there's Apple logos like all the way across the screen. I don't know if this is normal. It doesn't really look normal. Did you see it? It was really quick. But once the other screen starts up, there's no weird artifacts that are visible. It just looks normal. So I don't know, is that a normal thing? Here, let's slow it down. Touch bar here. So I've just been sitting here. I did hold the power button for like 10 seconds just to get it to power off. But just sitting here, kind of editing video. I have noticed a few times the charger's not plugged in, but that same blue flash will happen on the touch bar, just sitting here. No power, it's not powered on. So are these indications of anything that anyone is aware of? As I mentioned in my first video, the previous owner had this screen replaced, and she showed me a screenshot of a return shipment from Apple. So I'm assuming if it was Apple doing it, it was done correctly. It's only an assumption. But is it something with the screen? Is it something that is potentially not plugged in for the touch bar that is causing some issues? What do you think I should go to next? Because all of the comments on my previous video, I think I tried all of them that are possible. Unhooking the battery, trying to boot it just with it being plugged in to the charger with no battery connected. I've tried with the Ethernet adapter. I took an infrared thermometer and measured temperatures, and it never got over like 66 degrees Celsius. So I don't think it's overheating. What else can I try? The one thing that someone else mentioned is if I've got another MacBook, I can try using the other MacBook as like the target disk or something along those lines. I did do the DFU restore. I tried the revive. It did not work, so I had to do the restore, and that's why the hard disk is currently empty. It's completely empty. It has been reinitialized, and I'll show that in the disk utility here. Click on the internal drive, APFS, only 1.87 gig used. I had a couple people ask me about this. Do the first aid check. First aid is complete. Let's see, what's it say? Volume appears to be okay. And let's exit it. So, did you just see the little flash? So I don't know what that is. That's really strange. Suggestions? Let me know.